In the previous lectures, we learned how to install VS Code and how to install Node.js in Mac. Now we will learn how to create a project with Next.js and Tailwind. So open your Chrome and search for Next.js. If you will search for Next.js, because we need a styling framework which is Tailwind, so we'll search for Next.js Tailwind. So here in the first section it will show you how to install Next.js and Tailwind. So we're gonna install it. Open your terminal and navigate to the folder where you want to create your project. I'm gonna create here. So just let me divide this screen. So just copy this code. I'm gonna do it one by one. So, and it says np, this is the project name. You can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it first. I'm gonna name it Firebase 9, because this is what we're gonna learn in the next videos. So I'm gonna create this project. It will take a few seconds. And that's it, it's installed. So it created a new project, and now it is also suggesting you to go to the project and run it. But what we will do, we will navigate to this project Firebase 9, and then now we're gonna install this Tailwind library. This is for the styling. Okay, and then we're gonna open this project in VS Code. So how, one way to open it is type code and dot, code space dot, and it's gonna automatically open this project in the VS Code. You can see it. All right, so now it's on you if you want to work on this terminal or in this one. So I'm going to use the terminal in the VS Code. How you can open the terminal in the VS Code: press on the VS Code, then press on the code, no sorry, press on the file, and here you will see the option that not here, it should say open integrated terminal, or well, the short form is press command and tilde sign, so it will automatically open it. No, sorry, control plus tilde, control and tilde together. Close this. Let me try it again. I don't know why it's not here. It's usually here. File, start, and block line tool, selection, view. It's an integrated terminal somehow. Oh, this one. You can see it. It's in the view and the terminal. So I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna open it again. So close it from view and press on terminal. It's gonna automatically open it. Okay. So now I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna install Tailwind. Okay, Tailwind is installed. Now we're gonna initiate the project Tailwind, and here documentation suggests that copy this file and paste it in this one, tailwind.config.js. So I'm gonna paste it, and there are few more changes we have to do. Now you have to go to the styles and global.css, copy this code and paste it and run npm run dev. It's running on the port localhost 3000. So we're going to visit it. So here you have it. So now it's working, and that's it for this lecture.